Hey guys, welcome back to VL InfoTech. Today is day 4 of our W3 School Python series. In the previous videos, we have seen Python intro, Python get started, means Python installation, Python syntax, and today we will see Python comments. These are the comments. Comments can be used to explain the Python code, and they are used to explain the code what we have written, and they are used to prevent execution while testing the code. Now we will see practically. Now creating a comment. This symbol is used to symbol is used to mention a comment. See, print hello world. This is the comment statement. We have to write the statement. Beside that we need to give so that it will become comment. Comment can also be written beside the code like this. Only this print statement will be executed. This will not be executed because this is commented. And a comment does not need to be a text that explains the code. It can also be used to prevent the Python code from executing. This is the example. Here we have written two print statements. Generally, we should get hello world, cheers mate, two outputs. But we have commented the first line of code. So now the output is cheers mate only because this line of code is commented. So Python will not execute this line of code. In this way also we can write the comment. Now we will see multi-line comments. Python does not really have a syntax for multi-line comments. So we need to use, for every line we want to comment, we need to provide beside the line like this. Now this is a comment written in more than just one line. For every line of comment, we need to give like this. Now print hello world. Now the output is hello world. This is the multi-line comments. Now these are the exercises we will see one by one. To comment multiple lines in the code, we need to use multi-line string because Python will ignore string literals that are not assigned to a code. So we need to use these multi-line string to comment these lines of code. Here, for example, print hello world is the program. In this we are commenting different lines, so many lines. For this we need to use multi-line string. As long as the string is not assigned to a variable, just Python it will read the code, but then it will ignore it. It will not execute the program. In this way, we need to assign multi-line string for commenting multiple lines in the code. For single line, we can use beside the line, like this. If you want to comment more lines, we can use multi-line string, like this. Now we will see practically. Now we will see this example. Try it yourself. Click on that. See, this is the comment. Click on run. Now we will get the output as hello world. Yeah, we are getting hello world. This line of code is not executing. We will write, this is the program we are executing. See, click on run. Now we will get hello world as the output. See, this line is commented now. That's why it will not execute. Now we will see another example. This is another example. Click on try it yourself. Now we will see the output. Click on run. Now we will get output as the hello world. See, we are getting hello world. So we can also write the comment beside the code like this. Now we will see another example. Now we will see this. Click on try it yourself. Click on run. Now we will get the output as cheers met. Yeah. Now if we remove this ash beside that and click on run, now we will get hello world cheers met. See. Now we will see like this. Use comment here and click on run. Now we will get only hello world as the output. See like this. In this way we can use the comment. And now we will see multi-line comment. Click on this. Click on run. Now we will get output as hello world. Here we are commenting these lines of code by using ash beside each line to comment. See hello world we are getting. Now we will see another one. Now we will see multi-line string. Click on try it yourself. Now see the output hello world. Click on run. Now here we are using multi-line string to comment all these lines of code. Now see hello world we are getting. Now in this way we need to use multi-line string to comment these lines. Now we will see this one. Comments in Python are written with a special character. Which one? Hash. Submit answer. Submit answer. Yeah, correct. To comment a line, we use hash beside the line. Yeah, we are done. Now we have seen what is comment, how to write a comment, multi-line comment, single line comment, what is multi-string line, multi-line string. We have seen all these concepts. If you have any doubts, please comment down below. I will try to explain once again. That's it for today's video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. In tomorrow's video, we will see Python variables. In these variables, we will see what are variables, creating variables. We will see all these concepts one by one. Yeah, I hope you are liking these videos. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Until then, keep coding.